Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sương. I'm living in Da Nang and now I have a vacation to Hanoi with my mom. Today I have a one-day trip to Ninh Binh from Hanoi. We will explore two famous places in Ninh Binh. It's Trang An and Pagoda. Trang An is a famous eco-tourism area about 90 km from Hanoi. You have to rent a boat to explore caves, limestone mountains, and temples. But here, in the morning, we will go to Trang An, and in the afternoon, we will go to the Pagoda. Sorry everyone, my voice is still hoarse. This time, I will travel with my mom, my sister and niece. Because my sister and niece have to go to work and school tomorrow, so we rented a taxi from Hanoi about 2 million Vietnam dong for one day, about 82 US dollar. If you want cheaper, you can go by trains, bus, or rent a motorbike. There are many cheap ways to get there. Ticket price for adults is 250,000 Vietnam dong, about 10 US dollar. Returning to Trang An, there are 3 routes for you to choose from. Each different route will take you to different caves and different screens. Each trip takes about 3 hours or more. Trang An has many caves, including 1 kilometer long cave. It's very low, so be careful when going in there. After about 3 hours exploring here and taking many beautiful photos, we moved to a nearby restaurant for lunch. This restaurant is very famous for its goat dishes. Ninh Binh is famous for two things: goat meat and Scotch rice. Don't forget to try it when you come here. We ordered 4 plates of goat meat and a set of rice and soup. Total about 1,200,000 Vietnam dong, about $49 US for food, for drinks and fruits. The food here is very fresh and delicious. The price of the dishes here are not expensive. You can try them when you come here. After lunch, we will move to the next location with a biting pagoda. Thank you for watching and see you again in biting pagoda video. Bye!